Let's go ahead and turn you guys around and show you what we got here. So let me go ahead and give you guys a demonstration. So currently it is at 18 inches. You guys see that? It is at 18 inches. So it's displaying right now 18 inches. So if I want to change that, I can go back, and this is my go-to button right here. That says go-to. I can go to and say I want to go to 8 inches. I hit 8 inches, and you see the mill is going automatically down to 8 inches. That is cooler than the other side of the pillow. I'm not sure about you, but I like it. So let's go ahead and get to cutting. That way you guys don't have to listen to me blather on. Alright guys, what you're about to see in the background here, because I actually don't show it on screen, is one of the things I really love using the IntelliSet for, which is I'll turn this log here and I'm going to make a cut, and I want to go down 1 inch to get that next cut off for a board that I could actually use later on, maybe as a 1x6 or a 1x4. So I want to use that down cut mode to get something that's accurate. That way I know the thickness of the board. So what I'll do is I'll complete the cut. I press down on my joystick. It'll go down to 1 inch, which is what I have mine set to, and it'll cut off that next slice. That way I know I have an accurate piece. And you guys are going to see a little later in the video, I'm going to give a demonstration of how I do this. So make sure you stick around for that. Alright, as I'm turning the log over here, make sure you guys pay attention to when I make this next cut here. You guys are going to see me finish this cut, and watch how the blade exits the actual wood. This is how you know your mill is cutting the way it should. Watch this right here. Nothing comes up, nothing bounces, it just comes out of the wood, nice clean cut. You can almost not even see where the blade exits. That's how you know your mill is cutting straight. These next couple of cuts, I'm actually using the down mode feature of the IntelliSet. Like I said, later on in the video, you're going to see a demonstration of that, so make sure you guys stick around. But this allows me to really get some accurate cuts here, so go ahead and watch these real close. super happy with how these cuts came out using that down cut mode of the IntelliSet. About to transition to another log here, but man, those were some really nice cuts. Keep watching. Make sure you catch the demonstration later on in the video. Folks, I want to show you guys the benefit of using the IntelliSet. This is where I cut that log at 11.34 inches. You can see that it's 11 3/4 right here as well. And you know, if you look down here, it's dead even with the cut, right? So the next thing we would do, say if I want to cut 1 inch off of that, I just hit back and I go to down cut mode right here. Down cut, and I go 1 inch. So 1 inch is selected. All I have to do is press down right here, and you see that? It will automatically move it down and calculate the kerf of the blade to cut it at the right for 1 inch. That is the benefit of getting the IntelliSet. You don't have to guess, you don't have to do any of that stuff. It will do it for you, which saves you time. Set it over there on top. Yeah, we'll set it over and cut the edges off later. as I finish up cutting these 4x4s and a couple 3x4s, I just want to say thank you guys for watching. We really appreciate you guys staying this long. If you've stayed to the end of the video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And also make sure you check out the Standard Living Homestead channel. He's doing some great videos over there. We've decided to reach out to him and do a collaboration, so make sure you catch his video when you get a chance.